When you have the weight distributed correctly, you have control at all times.
The truck is one of the best trucks that are out there for that type of moving industry that we have. At the Tech Center, we design, engineer, and spec our vehicles. Trucks are from the ground up. We also manufacture our trailers from the ground up.
We can ship them or store them anywhere you like.
60% of your weight in front of the load line and 40% in the rear.
Put your hook through the chain, pull down on the trailer.
Did you have any braking problems? Did you have any overheating? Did you have any electrical problems with the vehicle? Did any of the dash lights come on while you're driving it?
College kids can go ahead and rent this online at uhaulcarshare.com for just a couple hours at a time or a day or two.